Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study general medicine in final year MBBS. First, focus on understanding core concepts rather than rote memorization. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to active learning, reviewing key systems like cardiology and gastroenterology. Regularly correlate your textbook knowledge with clinical cases you encounter. This approach helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for both theory and practical examinations. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results. To study effectively, embrace active recall. For instance, spend 20 minutes daily testing yourself on previous topics. Incorporate spaced repetition by revisiting subjects at increasing intervals, perhaps every 3 days, then weekly. Engaging in group discussions with 2 or 3 classmates can clarify difficult concepts and expose you to different clinical reasoning. Summarizing key information into one-page notes per system will also prove invaluable for rapid revision before exams. Maximize your resources by selecting 1 or 2 primary textbooks, such as Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine, for in-depth study. Supplement this with a dedicated question bank, aiming to complete at least 50 multiple-choice questions each day to test your understanding. Your clinical postings are crucial. Actively engage in ward rounds and patient interactions for at least 4 hours daily. Additionally, analyze past examination papers to identify recurring topics and question patterns. For exam preparation, simulate examination conditions by taking mock tests, allocating approximately 3 minutes per short answer question. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. A balanced diet and 30 minutes of daily physical activity will boost your energy and focus. Incorporate short, 10-minute breaks every hour during study sessions and practice mindfulness to manage stress effectively, ensuring you stay sharp and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.